What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gene, and today I'm back with another video. And today we doing the one chip. Well, it's not one chip.
Parkweek.
It's really nothing, to be honest. You know, like
Hey, this
shit is like
this MRFer, it's not hot. It's not kinda hot. It's not hot. It's not super hot. It's freaking hot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Boy, if you don't get
Anyway, but look, I don't know if this is hot as the weekend corn chip. I don't know if this is hot as the one chip. Okay, I don't know if it's as hot as the one chip, but we gonna find out. We're gonna test it and see. If it's not, we just gonna have to do a part 2 with the actual chips. But yeah, we finna dive straight in this mug. What it smell like, bro?
it smell like fucking like pasteured hot sauce here. Like
I got the tripod. Alright, so we finna give it a little sniff.
Tabasco sauce here.
Damn.
I can't open my
we can't have niggas.
damn.
Alright, y'all, that's it, YouTube. We not supposed. We it's a sign. We not supposed to eat them. Nah, these hoes. Oh shit.
Don't eat it.
Well, that shit smell like a little Dorito, boys.
Let me see.
That ain't nothing to me.
That shit do smell like Doritos, but that shit not gonna be hot at all.
Shaking this shit.
Look, bro, y'all think it ain't gonna be shit, but a wise man once told me like that shit gonna really get you. Like,
Don't eat it.
don't judge a book by its cover.
Here, we gotta set it up so we can all bite it together.
Oh no. So we gonna put it on the tripod or? Nah, these can't be as hot because niggas that be eating them be like, I got it on my finger and it's burning. It's touching my skin and it's burning. Yeah, what they dragging it?
Alright, then we need to drag it. No, action, nigga. We the fact.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gene, and today we're back with another banger video. We're eating the world's hottest chip. No, oh shit.
My damn life, bro. I feel like I'm hallucinating a little bit here. Hey, Mike, I can't be more
hell.
running that.
I'm scared as fuck. I ain't gonna lie.
This is what we should do, bro. See who can eat the most.
Hell nah, nigga. Y'all
We should see who can eat the most. Whoever win get $5.
$5 is crazy.
All right, $10. That's $2 from everybody. Whoever win get $10. See everybody.
I'm turning off. All right, y'all. We got the chip, bro. We got the chip right here. Y'all ready, bro?
Wait, we eat one right now. Y'all get the smallest one.
Hell no. You gotta get a full chip.
Alright, Bill, let's go.
Oh, hell no. I'm scared as
Oh,
fuck.
God, I ain't got a full chip. It's all I
Oh,
got.
God, this is all I got.
Bro, my fingers feel weird.
Stop cheating.
Look at that. Look at that, y'all.
Nah,
Why my fingers feel like that?
Oh, God, they feel like they burning.
It's tripping, bro.
Oh, my mom not tripping.
All right, y'all
I
ready,
thought I
bro?
was tripping. Alright, ready?
Alright, hold on. So we doing who can eat the most chips?
Nah, but
Hold
first,
on,
we
hold
don't
on.
even want to see what happens.
Nigga, we can see what. We can
Eat one.
see.
Eat one
We can
first.
see how
Eat one
y'all.
first.
Y'all eat the
Ready?
whole thing?
Yes, nigga, the whole thing.
Eat the
Oh,
whole
hell no, nigga.
Yes,
You
nigga,
can't.
eat
But
the
you got
whole
mouth
thing.
that big.
No,
Eat the whole thing.
Look like
I like just
You
most
gotta
of
one
it.
shot
yeah,
bite.
like bite it.
Or somebody.
But you gotta
got
hurry
my
up and eat.
They gotta be.
Damn! Damn!
Oh, shit. Come on, no. Oh, shit.
Damn, I can't breathe on my mama.
But it's alright.
Oh, look.
Bro, I feel hot for some reason.
Shit.
I'm gonna eat that. That's
Damn,
what
I just poured that. Damn, it was so hot.
Oh. Hold up now.
Broke my heart, I swear to God.
Oh shit.
I need to eat another one.
Oh.
Damn.
Bro, do not let the whole touch your lips, man. Oh my.
Oh.
Oh god, the corner of my lips.
Oh my God, I'm finna start crying.
Bro, this nigga smoking dick. Both of y'all.
Hey, I best not doing all that talking.
Boy, how the fuck I got these big ass tubes?
Shit, I'm crying, y'all. Nigga, y'all still eating them, huh?
Hey, this hoe thick.
Alright, I'm going for another bite, y'all. I'm going for another bite. It's like you go through your nose after.
Yeah, it goes through your throat and your nose.
Yeah. This shit.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Hey. This shit. Hey, this shit's like, come on.
God, this shit, yo.
You know what?
I just shit over there.
He partied.
I'm gonna start regurgitating, cuz.
We ain't gotta wait till this done, right?
Hell no.
Oh shit. I'm done. Give me a
3
drink.
chips at a time.
You're lying.
This nigga just ate 3 chips.
Oh.
This shit hot as fuck.
God damn.
There's another bag in there.
Hey, my head hurt, cuz. Oh.
Hey,
My
Gene.
boy, I don't know about you and why you still got that jacket. You don't gotta go.
Bro, this shit made it worse.
Bro,
Hey,
shit.
Monica.
My nose running and shit. For try-
Yeah, I get something to the real nigga. Oh my fucking God.
Here we go, fucking dead.
Oh my god.
Look at this nigga.
Do not drink that shit.
Nigga, my mouth burning.
Yo, don't just
Hey, my nose started running.
Oh, fuck.
I'm straight, cuz. I'm saying this shit like a G.
Yeah, I'm glad I'm nigga.
Oh, my mama.
Then you only like one of them hoes, bitch.
Hey, come nigga.
Hey,
Got that about 9.
what's your bag? Bro, look at his bag. That hoe damn near gone.
Nah, this nigga is crazy.
God, take that shit. What my tongue is
Damn my lips.
I don't even got a tongue.
Bro, shit, he ain't got it.
Hey. We got the.
Whoa. Whoa, now.
That nigga know. This nigga knows what it is.
Second chip completed.
Ooh, bro, it's a lot of sauce at the bottom, too.
Don't do this shit at home. Damn sure don't get the black chip.
It's just a skit, YouTube.
Damn.
Why the fuck you bring this
My
home?
lips burning.
These niggas eating these hoes like they Funyuns or some shit.
That shit hot as fuck and it gave me gas.
Nah, I'm playing. That shit not even hot for real. I'm just
Nah, this shit hot for real.
I'm just showing up for the vid.
My nose running.
This shit like hot Cheeto times 10 though.
Hey, low-key, it ain't as bad as the other one, though. More for the hot juice.
My damn nose running.
Nigga, is that a second bag?
Hey, that nigga bag damn near gone.
Nah, this nigga back here tripping.
Give me another one.
Nigga, alright.
Oh.
What you doing?
Yeah, make a grown man cry. Oh shit, boy.
Oh, my mama, everything I love, I'm finna die, you know. I ain't know, that shit was burning a while ago. It's like it's on and off. He's like,
Excuse me.
finish it, nigga. Look at Dre.
This shit is hot. I was just playing about what I said earlier. But I thought it was gonna be way hotter.
Hey, bag completed here. Shit. Not gonna lie. Oh, God, don't do that shit at home. Like, it's hot.
Oh shit. He needs some milk.
Oh! He needs some milk.
Give me a waterfall.
Hurry. God, water make it work. I'm licking my finger.
Fuck.
That shit cool it right down. What the fuck?
God damn.
They said my nose running. Damn. Shit about moist as hell. Nigga. Whoa. Whoa. I ain't gonna lie, I took that shit like a real young nigga. You know what I'm saying? Maybe next time it's gonna be hotter. Damn, this shit killing my ass though, for real. Them demons coming out.
Hey, bro, I need to go outside and run or something. This shit out my mind.
Bruh, damn, bruh.
Don't not run outside.
Damn. That nigga ain't even drink. He just stuck in his mouth. Hey, we gotta try. We gotta do the actual one chip. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna eat a piece of that, huh? Yeah.
Exactly.
That shit right after this.
I should have just got one piece of that and we could have shared that. I should have got one chip.
Bro, my shit burning.
And my shit is.
This
Oh,
Jeep
God.
on here. Somebody blowing your head. Wait. Hey.
That's
You can't run that group chat.
finna go for another one.
Talking about don't drink the Gatorade.
I'm finna go for another one, y'all.
Just the hell, boy. This shit gonna go straight to your throat. I'm telling you.
Hey, what group chat is that here? Is that like another brother group chat?
He made it.
Okay.
I'm gonna post this, but we getting the one chip next time. Yeah.
Bro, no,
How you gonna take that shit?
Y'all do not.
Huh?
Smoke this shit, motherfucker.
Nigga,
He
you can't.
hook it up to a computer.
Don't play your nose, nigga. That nigga knows. Snotty as hell.
Nah, bro, I want us to be like dying, like on the ground, like
This right here, nigga? This right here, nigga?
Chat. If you watch this video and you make it this far, comment if I'm light skinned or brown skinned. My damn eye lazy and shit.
Nigga,
I
that
don't
homie
feel
got
like waking up at no.
Bro, he's light skinned, most definitely.
What's her name? No, like, I don't know.
They say I'm brown skinned. I thought I was.
I'm brown
I
skinned.
wake up at.
I thought.
Bro, he is light skinned, nigga. You see the cover of his mom?
Hey, look.
Fucking bright hair.
Ooh. All right. Well, one chip challenge. See, that won the one chip challenge. We're gonna name that hottest chip in the world challenge, and then we're gonna do the one chip challenge. 10 likes for the one chip challenge video. 10 likes. So I'm trying to get 10 likes on this video.
Yeah, you can't have my post on story with the play.
All right, y'all. I guess that's it, man.
Like top of your mouth. Like suck in.
Nigga, is your nose sweating, nigga? What the hell? Oh shit. Yeah, this nigga ate a whole bag.
That shit.
I ate about 3 or 4.
Get him, shot.
My nose still running, but yeah. I don't even, but that's what I said. We're gonna do an Orbeez war. Oh, y'all know what we could do? You know what we could do? We could go play Foursquare.
How do this nigga from
That would be a lit ass video, bro. Think about it.
watch the light on Twitter.
All right, look, I'm gonna get y'all a Orbeez.
You can come tomorrow and start editing the video.
All right, I'm gonna get y'all an Orbeez war video, and I had this idea. I had this idea. Look. I had this idea where we could get like 2 teams. We could get like teams of 2.
Michael, let me get a charger.
We could get teams. Listen, we get teams of 2, and we could all cook something.
Wait, where
And then we could have like judges. Like I don't know, say like honesty.
How do you
like your mom or you know what I'm saying. We could get
I ain't
judges
had it for a while.
and we could all cook some food and see who make the best meal.
What the blue one I had?
I'm the best cook in this meal.
What's the white one I gave you?
But yeah, so hopefully I can saw Orbeez War this video and the cooking video. Yeah, I guess we out, man.
And this overseas where I go. I get paid anywhere I go. Got money like yesterday was broke.